Good morning, dear student. Solid state, easy way to solve number of atoms of an element. Number of atoms of an element. The problem is an element has PCC structure with a cell edge of 288 picometer. Edge length A value is 288 picometer. PCC, from this we can write n value, small n, total number of atoms is 2. The density of the element, rho value is 7.2 gram centimeter power minus 1. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? So first we have to calculate molar mass, then number of moles, then finally how many atoms are present. Now I write the given values. What are the values are given? What we have to calculate from these given values? What are the given values? First one is, it is body centered cubic arrangement. Therefore, for PCC, the total number of atom is equal to 2. Then next thing, edge length value is given. Edge length value is given, that is rho equal to 288 picometer. 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 12 meter or 10 power minus 10 centimeter. In scientific method, when we write this 2.88 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. 2.88 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is edge length value. Then edge length value A. Density rho value is equal to 7.2 gram centimeter power minus 3. Mass of the element or weight of the element. Mass of the elements. Mass of the elements. W or small m is given as 208 gram. The density value is given. We know the formula used to calculate density. What is the formula? Density rho is equal to n into capital M by a cube into Avogadro number. First we have to calculate this molar mass. Other values are known value. So M is equal to, bring all the other quantities to the left hand side, rho into a cube into Avogadro number divided by n, number of atoms. Now I am going to substitute all this value. Rho value, the given rho value is 7.2 and a cube value 2.88 and 10 power minus 8 the whole cube and Avogadro number 6.023 and 10 power 23 whole divided by n equal to number of atom. In PCC, number of atom equal to 2, and this value we can simply write the Avogadro number 7.2 and 2.88 the whole cube and 10 power 8 into 3 is 24 minus 24 into 6 into 10 power 23 whole divided by 2. First we have to solve 2.88 power cube method. It is easy method. I have solved the cubic root in many problems. Now we are going to solve 2.88 cube. Now first we have to calculate the square value, then cube value. 288 we have only 3 digit. So our value is 288. Here 288 value. Then 288. Here also 288. Shall we start the multiplication? 2 into 2s are 4, 2 into 8s are 16, 2 into 8s are 16. 8 into 2s are 16, 8 into 8s are 64, 8 into 8s are 64. 8 into 2s are 16, 8 into 8s are 64, 8 into 8s are 64. Then we have to add all the columns. Here you have 1 4. Then 10 plus 4 equal to 14, remaining 1. Here 1 10, 20, 26 plus 1 equal to 27. Here 10 plus 4 equal to 14, remaining 1. 7, 13, 17, 13 or 23, 29. 29, remaining 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 9, 15, 21, 22, remaining 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 to 9, 4, 4. How many digit we have? 2.88. Here 2 digit, here 2 digit, 4 digits. So 8.29. Now we are going to calculate the cube value 8299. Write here that value 82944. We have to multiply with 288. So there is no, the last column is not required. Okay, shall we start the multiplication? 2 into 8s are 16, 2 into 2s are 4, 2 into 9s are 18, 2 into 4s are 8, 2 into 4s are 8. Now 8 into 8s are 64, 8 into 2s are 16, 8 into 9s are 72, 8 into 4s are 32, 8 into 4s are 32. Same value 64, 1 6, 7 2, 3 2 and 3 2. Now we have to add all these numbers. Here you have 1 2, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Then 2 into 3 are 5, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 10 plus 8 equal to 18, remaining 1, 7, 14, 16, 19, 27, remaining 2, 6, 7, 13, 20, 28, remaining 2, then 8, 12, 13, 17 and 18, remaining 1, 7, 13, remaining 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. How many digit here? 4 digit, here 2 digit, 6 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 23.88 is approximately taken as 23.9. 23.9 is the result of 2.88 cube. We have to substitute this value in the formula. When we substitute the value equal to 7.2 into 2.88 cube is 23.9 into Avogadro number 6, 10 power minus 24, 10 power plus 23 gives 10 power minus 1 whole divided by 2. Now cancel 1 2 is 2, here 3 2s are 6, remaining 1 12, 6 2s are 12. We have to multiply all these. First 239 into 36 will give the answer. Then 6 into 9s are 54, remaining 5, 18, 23, remaining 2, 12, 14, 3 into 9s are 27, remaining 2, 11, remaining 1, 3 into 2s are 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 4, 10, remaining 1, 5 plus 1 equal to 6, here 8. So how many digit? This is 2.39, 3.6, totally 3 digit. Then we have to multiply with the 6 also, multiply with the 6 also. 6 into 4 are 24, 6 into 6 equal to 36, remaining 3. 6 into 8 are 48, 51. How many digit? 3 digit. So 51.624 is here taken as 51.6. Molar mass M is equal to 51.6 gram mole power minus 1. Using this value, now we have to calculate number of moles. Number of moles formula we know, number of moles equal to mass by molar mass, mass by molar mass. Mass is given in our problem, that is equal to 208 by 51.6. Now we are going to solve this. Now we are going to solve this. 150 is 50. Remaining 16 we have. When we add 0, we will get 160. In 160, how many 50s? 3 50s are 150. That is enough. In 200, we have 4 50s. Point. Then we have 8. When we add 80, 150 is 50. Remaining 3 30. Then 6 into 5 are 30. 5 into 6 are 30. And when you solve this, 416 by 103. 4 into 3 are 12, 4 into 1 equal to 4. Then when you subtract, you will get 4. Then add 1 point here, 0, again 40, 0, 0, 400. 3 into 3 are 9. 3 into 3 are 3 into 1 equal to 3. When you subtract, you get 91. That is enough. So what is your answer? The answer is 4.03. 4.03 moles. This is number of moles. 4.03 moles. Correct? Number of moles calculated. Approximately you can take this as 4 moles. 4 moles. From this, we can easily calculate how many number of atoms are present in 208 gram. 1 mole of an element contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. Therefore, 4 moles of an element contains equal to cross multiple divide by the given value. So you will get 4 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. What is the answer you will get? Multiplied by 4. 4 into 3 are 12. Remaining 1. 4 into 2 are 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 4 into 0 equal to 0. 4 into 6 are 24. Into 10 power 23. In our question, it is given as how many gram of element? 208 gram of an element contains 24.09 into 10 power 23 number of atoms. So this is the easy way of calculating the number of atoms present in the given gram of the element. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.